Hello. Today we're going to study Melville Dewey, the father of the American library. My name is Tess, and I'll be your instructor for the Library Volunteer Training course. Top secret, did you know that Melville Dewey and he thought it was a good idea to? He only wanted to. However, he ended up being. In this lecture, we will get to know Melville Dewey. We'll find out what he did. We'll talk about why he did it and what happened after he did it. And we'll only talk about his accomplishments. Melville Lewis Kossuth Dewey, born December 10, 1851, passed December 26, 1931. Was born in New York, attended Amherst University, earned his master's degree in 1877, and then changed his name to Melville Dewey. So what else did Melville do? He was hired by the Amherst Library to reclassify its collections, and because he was interested in decimals, he began studying two different library systems. From there, he devised his own system of decimals that structured books in a predictable and organized way, and then copyrighted this system in 1876. Today we know it as the Dewey Decimal Classification, DDC. Then he founded the Library Journal and became its first editor, and then the secretary of the American Library Association, the ALA. Here's a list of what else Melville did. He established the American Metric Bureau, became the president of the American Library Association. He founded the Spelling Reform Association, then became the librarian at Columbia College, and founded the first Institute for Librarian Instruction. In 1888 through 1906, he was the director of the New York State Library, as well as the secretary of the University of the State of New York. So to answer our first questions, Melville Dewey was a librarian who believed in a better system for organization with books. He only wanted to make libraries more efficient. However, he ended up being the father of the American library system. So the point is, we have Melville Dewey to thank for caring about books. In the next lecture, you will find out how to understand his classification system.